In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to display your region boundaries in a territory map or a district map. In order to show any hierarchy boundaries, you first have to create that hierarchy. And by default, we have territories assigned to districts and districts assigned to regions. If you would like to change those terms, you would do that in the AlignMix options. So first, let's open up a new tab and view our region map. And here you can see we've got 3 regions. So I'd like to show these region boundaries in our first tab, which shows us our territories. To do that, we first go back to our territory alignment view, our first tab, click on Configure Layers, and now on the left side, we scroll down to Regions. And I'd like to click here to make our region boundaries visible. And I'll change the color from orange, and we will make it a bluish color. We'll adjust that width, and I would like that boundary to appear when we've zoomed all the way out, and I'd make that boundary a little bit thicker by adjusting when it will reach its max size. Clicking on OK, you will now see the lines here representing each one of those region boundaries. You can do this exact same customization at the district level. So let's open up a district map, and you'll see here we've just got our districts. To turn on our region boundaries in this view, we go back to Configure Layers, and again, select Regions and make region boundaries visible. This time we'll leave it as orange, but I'll still increase the size and move these little chevrons so they appear sooner, and click OK. And now you can see on this map, the orange boundaries will show you where your region boundaries exist on this district map view. And there you go. You've just learned how to turn on your region boundaries while viewing territory or district maps.